totally from Emporia. Here we are at Barcelona and we make this video for Mobilissimo.ro and gsmdom.com about the new Emporia gadgets. We have two things which are really worth to mention. One is in pair. This is a phone, a GSM phone and a watch together. What you should know about this is that this phone is made for making normal calls, of course, and emergency calls. There is a button at the back of the phone. When you push it, it initiates an emergency call. At the same time, it also sends an SMS with the GPS coordinates, because the phone is also GPS enabled. If somebody is not having the phone in their hands, but they have this watch on their hands, for example, let's assume they fall down, and the watch is also waterproof. So somebody, let's say an elderly person, is at the shower, it falls down. He or she just presses one of the buttons, all of them or only one of them, and also the phone starts immediately this emergency sequence again, the call and the SMS. If you would press it by chance, by accident, this button, you can still stop it within 10 seconds. So if you just press the button by accident, you can stop with the phone the emergency sequence. So and this is a very useful application for those people who need some assistance. Might be elderly or in any kind of situation. Even when you go, let's say, out in forest, and then you can have also an accident there, and then you can call emergency.
What's the distance that the phone can receive the signal from the watch?
So if you are in the house, it's within 10 meters, and if you are outside, it can be 20-30 meters. Of course, it's depending on the surroundings.
And what countries this phone can operate?
So it can operate in any countries. This is a normal 2G GSM phone, so where you have a GSM network, this can operate, and of course GPS coverage is also needed, but that is usually all over Europe. You can find a good GPS coverage. Can
you tell us something about the price?
I cannot tell the exact prices, but let's say the retail price can be somewhere around 150 to 100 euros between there. It also depends, of course, if an operator buys it, it can be different. We have also another phone which we introduced here. This is a ruggedized phone which is splash-proof and shock-proof and dust-proof. Also following the usual Emporia ways, Emporia features, which means big buttons, easy to see screens, and also these side buttons, when you can start all the applications with these buttons. So you don't have to go into the menu if you want to write an SMS, or if you want to set the alarm clock, you can do it with these buttons. For example, when you have a big glove on your hand, it's very difficult to find these features in the menu, but like right now you just push it. Also you can lock the device here, also you can change the voice power. Also at the end of this phone you can attach hangers, so you can hang into your neck, or you can attach a carabiner, you can hang at your trousers as you wish, so if you are an outdoor person. And this color is usually used, also in the building industry and also in any outdoor sports, because it's very easy to find if you drop it somewhere in the mud or in somewhere outdoor. And this is also a very important product for us that we introduced.